Imagine standing before the Great Wall of China, stretching over 13,000 miles, winding like a colossal serpent across mountains, valleys, and deserts. Built centuries ago with primitive tools, yet its scale, precision, and endurance seem almost beyond human capability. How did ancient builders achieve such a feat without modern machinery? Could there be a deeper, more mysterious origin, one linked to extraterrestrial influence? Today, we dive deep into this mind-bending theory, exploring historical mysteries, unexplained architectural marvels, and strange anomalies that might hint at something far beyond our understanding. Throughout history, humanity has attributed grand structures to the divine, or even to beings from the stars. From the pyramids of Egypt to the monolithic statues of Easter Island, countless civilizations have left behind inexplicable masterpieces. The Great Wall of China is no exception. Traditionally, historians credit its construction to the strategic vision of Chinese rulers, designed to protect against invading forces. The earliest walls date back over 2,700 years, but the most famous sections were built during the Ming dynasty. The wall's architecture is staggering. Millions of stone bricks, some weighing over a ton, meticulously placed along rugged terrains where modern construction would still pose a challenge. But here's where things take a bizarre turn. Some researchers and theorists suggest that the wall's construction wasn't merely a human endeavor. The first question that arises, how were such massive stones transported across mountainous landscapes without advanced technology? While conventional explanations cite wooden carts, rope pulleys, and sheer manpower, skeptics argue that these methods would be insanely inefficient given the terrain. Ancient Chinese texts mention celestial assistance in monumental constructions, describing mysterious lights in the sky and divine guidance given to laborers. Could these be early accounts of UFOs or extraterrestrial involvement? Another baffling detail lies in the wall's strategic design. Yes, it was built for defense, but why does its layout seem to follow precise geometric alignments? Alignments that, interestingly, correlate with celestial patterns. Some sections align almost perfectly with constellations such as Orion's belt, much like the pyramids of Giza. Coincidence or evidence that ancient builders had knowledge far beyond their time? In Chinese mythology, the heavens and the earth are intricately connected. Emperors were believed to have a mandate of heaven, a divine right bestowed by celestial forces. Could this belief stem from actual interactions with beings not of this world? Then there's the puzzling case of electromagnetic anomalies reported along the wall. Certain sections seem to interfere with modern electronic devices, much like the strange magnetic fields detected around other ancient sites, like Machu Picchu and Stonehenge. Some suggest that these anomalies could be remnants of an advanced energy system, something that was once operational in ancient times but has since faded. What kind of technology, if any, could generate such fields? Could it be a lost knowledge, one possibly shared by extraterrestrial visitors? And let's not forget the eerie legend of the Luoyang Bridge connection, a tale whispered among locals about a supposed hidden chamber beneath the wall, containing an unknown metallic structure that emits a faint hum. The Chinese government has never confirmed or denied such rumors, but some believe this could be a piece of advanced technology, possibly extraterrestrial in origin. But before we jump to conclusions, we must also acknowledge the counter-arguments. Many historians firmly reject these claims, citing well-documented records of the wall's construction, the use of massive human labor forces, and logical engineering methods. The celestial alignments, purely accidental, they argue, the electromagnetic disturbances, natural geological formations. Yet, the more we explore, the more questions arise. If humans built the wall entirely on their own, how did they accomplish it with such precision? Why do so many ancient civilizations share eerily similar legends of sky gods, flying chariots, and mysterious visitors from the heavens? Could it be that history has hidden a deeper truth? The deeper we dig, the stranger it gets, and we're just getting started. The deeper we explore the Great Wall of China, the more mysterious it becomes. While mainstream historians insist that its construction was purely a human effort, there are details that simply don't add up. One of the most baffling aspects is the wall's unusual composition. Yes, it's made primarily of stone, bricks, and tamped earth, but some sections contain a strange, almost cement-like mortar that has baffled scientists for years. What's more astonishing? This ancient binding agent has lasted for centuries, resisting erosion, earthquakes, and time itself. What exactly was this mysterious material? Modern analysis has revealed that the wall's mortar contains traces of sticky rice, a fascinating discovery that showcases ancient Chinese ingenuity. However, certain preserved segments seem to possess an unknown mineral composition, one that has yet to be fully explained. Some researchers claim these elements don't match typical materials found in the surrounding areas, leading to speculation. Could this indicate the presence of an unnatural or unknown substance, possibly one introduced by an advanced civilization? Then comes an even bigger enigma: the Great Wall's layout and aerial anomalies. Satellite imagery has revealed patterns in the wall's structure that aren't just defensive, but almost mathematical in nature. Parts of the wall seem to form intricate geometric shapes when viewed from above, resembling ancient symbols or even radio wave frequencies. What if the wall wasn't just a defensive barrier, but something more? Some fringe researchers suggest that the wall could have functioned as a transmission system, channeling energy across vast distances. This concept isn't as outlandish as it sounds. Many ancient sites, including the Egyptian pyramids and South American geoglyphs, have shown evidence of potential electromagnetic properties. Could it be possible that the Great Wall was more than just a wall? Could it have been part of a global network, designed to interact with celestial bodies or even extraterrestrial forces? Adding to the mystery, let's talk about historical accounts of strange sightings. Ancient Chinese texts, particularly during the Ming and Qin dynasties, mention sightings of flying fireballs and silver dragons in the sky, often seen hovering near the wall. While many dismiss these as poetic descriptions or meteorological phenomena, others believe they could be early UFO sightings. What's even stranger is that certain watchtowers along the wall seem to be placed at oddly precise intervals, almost as if they were meant for something beyond just spotting invaders. Some have speculated that these towers might have served as energy relay stations, but if that were true, who or what were they communicating with? One particular section of the wall, near the Badaling area, has drawn interest due to repeated reports of unusual energy fluctuations. Some visitors claim to have felt sudden dizziness, an unexplainable tingling sensation, or even disruptions in their electronic devices while walking in specific spots. Similar occurrences have been noted at other ancient sites rumored to have extraterrestrial connections, such as the Nazca lines in Peru and the monolithic ruins of Pumapunku in Bolivia. Could this indicate the remnants of a long-lost technology? If so, was it human innovation or something much older, much more advanced? The Chinese government has remained largely silent on such speculations. Officially, the wall is a historical monument, a brilliant example of ancient engineering. But let's not forget that many groundbreaking discoveries in history were once dismissed as myths or conspiracies before being proven true. The idea that advanced civilizations, or even extraterrestrials, might have influenced ancient structures isn't entirely far-fetched. After all, we still struggle to explain how certain ancient sites were built with such precision long before the advent of modern tools. Could the Great Wall of China be one of those enigmatic relics, an ancient structure hiding a deeper secret? If so, what exactly was its true purpose? A simple fortification, or something far beyond our understanding? As we continue unraveling the mysteries surrounding the Great Wall of China, one question lingers: why does this structure seem to defy conventional historical narratives? If we assume that the wall was only a defensive barrier, then why does it exhibit patterns and anomalies that suggest something much more complex? Could it be that we've misinterpreted its true purpose all along? One of the most compelling aspects of the Great Wall's design and placement is how it seems to follow an almost predetermined cosmic blueprint. Some sections of the wall align with astronomical landmarks, much like the pyramids of Giza and other ancient wonders. But how could a civilization over 2,000 years ago have had such precise knowledge of celestial bodies? The Chinese were skilled astronomers, But some believe that their knowledge wasn't developed entirely on their own. Instead, what if it was gifted to them by an advanced intelligence, one that had already mastered the secrets of the stars? This theory gains traction when we consider ancient Chinese mythology, which is filled with stories of celestial beings descending from the heavens. The Yellow Emperor, Huangdi, one of the legendary rulers of early China, is often described as a godlike figure who arrived on a flying dragon. Some ancient texts even suggest that he was not of this world, an otherworldly teacher who introduced the Chinese people to technology, warfare, and even construction techniques. If these myths were based on real encounters, could it be possible that extraterrestrials played a role in human development, guiding civilizations to build structures like the Great Wall for reasons we don't yet understand? But perhaps the most controversial idea surrounding the wall's origins is the possibility that it was not merely a human project, but a collaborative effort between humans and an advanced non-human intelligence. Consider this. Throughout history, we've seen civilizations suddenly make unexplained technological leaps, from the sudden appearance of written language to the development of advanced metallurgy. What if the knowledge required to construct something as vast and enduring as the Great Wall wasn't entirely our own? To add another layer of mystery, let's look at the legend of the celestial architects. According to some lesser-known Chinese folktales, certain sections of the Idai wall were said to have been built overnight, impossible feats attributed to sky beings who descended from the heavens to aid in construction. Some say these were just myths meant to inspire awe and national pride, but what if they were based on real experiences? Could these stories be ancient descriptions of extraterrestrial intervention, similar to how other cultures describe encounters with sky gods, angels, or star people? Then there's the question of longevity. Most man-made structures decay over time, yet the Great Wall has endured for over 2 millennia, surviving earthquakes, wars, and natural erosion. Yes, the Chinese builders used innovative engineering techniques, but what if something more advanced was at play? Some researchers have speculated that the wall's foundations might contain unknown strengthening agents, possibly materials inspired by or even directly given by an advanced intelligence. Could this be the reason why certain sections of the wall remain shockingly intact, despite the passage of time? And let's not forget the global connection. When we examine other massive ancient structures, such as the pyramids in Egypt and Mesoamerica, the temples of Angkor Wat, and the megalithic ruins of Göbekli Tepe, we see striking similarities in their construction techniques, precision, and alignment with the stars. Could this indicate that ancient civilizations across the world were receiving the same knowledge from the same source? If so, what was the ultimate goal? Were these structures merely defensive and religious sites, or something far more profound? It's easy to dismiss these theories as mere speculation, but time and time again, history has shown us that what we once considered impossible often turns out to be true. The question remains, if extraterrestrial influence did play a role in the construction of the Great Wall, what was the purpose? Were they guiding humanity, protecting us, or perhaps even using the wall for their own unknown reasons? As we stand before this colossal structure today, staring at its vast, winding expanse, we can't help but wonder, what secrets does it still hold? The Great Wall of China stands as one of the most awe-inspiring achievements of human civilization. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it has endured the test of time, wars, and natural disasters. History tells us that it was built for defense, but the deeper we look, the more questions arise. Questions that challenge our understanding of its origins, purpose, and even the nature of ancient civilizations themselves. Could it be that this incredible structure is more than just a fortification? Could it be part of a much larger mystery, one that connects humanity to something far beyond our own world? We've explored the wall's astronomical alignments, its possible connection to celestial myths, and the legend of the celestial architects, stories that describe beings from the heavens aiding in its construction. We've also seen how other ancient structures, across different continents, share striking similarities in design, technology, and alignment with the stars. If these civilizations were truly isolated, how could they all develop such advanced knowledge simultaneously? The idea that extraterrestrial intelligence may have played a role in guiding or influencing these ancient builders is a possibility that cannot be ignored. But if this is true, we must ask, why? Why would an advanced non-human intelligence care about Earth's ancient civilizations? Were they merely observing, offering guidance, or shaping human history for their own reasons? Some believe that these visitors were mentors, giving humanity the tools to advance. Others speculate they had a more hidden agenda, one that remains unknown even today. And then there's another, even more mind-bending possibility. What if the Great Wall wasn't just built for protection against human invaders, but for something else? Some theorists suggest that its construction may have been part of a global effort to mark, contain, or even defend against a force not of this world. Could the wall have served as a kind of energy grid, an ancient signal, or even a barrier against forces we don't yet understand? If extraterrestrial involvement was real, was the wall meant to protect humans from one another, or from something far greater? We may never have concrete answers, but one thing is certain: history is far more mysterious than we've been led to believe. Whether the Great Wall was purely a human achievement or something more, it continues to stand as a monument to ingenuity, resilience, and the enduring mysteries of the past. So, what do you think? Could the Great Wall of China be evidence of extraterrestrial influence, or is it simply a testament to human willpower and determination? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of history, mystery, and the cosmos. Until next time, keep questioning everything